If you want to build a website on GoDaddy but you've never done it before, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll start from creating your account, move into choosing and customizing your site, and then finish by publishing it live. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy's website builder. On the homepage, look for the option that says Start for Free. This is where you begin building your site without paying up front, which is great if you're just testing out an idea or launching a brand new project. Click that button and GoDaddy will ask you to sign in. You can create your account in a few different ways. You can sign up with your email, or you can use your Google account or Facebook credentials if that's easier for you. Just choose the option that feels fastest, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete your login. Once you're in, GoDaddy will start guiding you through the setup process. Next, you'll define the purpose of your website. This step is really important because it helps GoDaddy understand what kind of design and content you need. You'll be asked to enter your business category, such as photography, restaurant, personal blog, coaching, portfolio, or something else that matches your project. Then type in your website or business name. This name will help personalize your site and make the setup feel much more tailored to your brand. At this point, GoDaddy's Airo AI tool may ask you a few questions about your website. This part usually takes a minute, so give it a moment to work. The good news is that Airo can automatically generate an initial personalized design and draft copy based on your answers. That means instead of starting with a blank page, you get a strong head start with a layout and content structure already in place. This can save a huge amount of time, especially if you're not sure how to begin. Once your website loads, take a look at the editing panel on the right-hand side. This is where you'll make most of your custom changes. One of the first things you can do is click on the Theme tab. The theme controls the overall style of your website, including colors, fonts, and button styles. If you want your site to look more modern, more professional, or more creative, this is where you can adjust the global look and feel. The great thing about GoDaddy's Builder is that you can switch themes at any time. So if you try one layout and decide it's not the right fit, you can instantly redesign the appearance without losing your content. That makes it easy to experiment until you find a style that matches your brand. Now let's edit the actual content of the site. GoDaddy organizes your page into blocks called sections. These sections can include headers, about us areas, photo galleries, contact forms, testimonials, and much more. To edit any part of the site, simply click directly on the text or image block you want to change. From there, you can replace the placeholder content with your own words, upload your own images, and make the page feel unique to your business. If you want to add something new, move your mouse between two existing blocks. You should see a plus icon appear, which means you can add a new section. Click that plus button, and GoDaddy will show you a list of templates you can insert, like contact forms, calendars, or social media links. This is a really useful way to expand your site as your business grows. As you build, take your time and make sure each section supports the goal of your website. For example, if you're creating a photography site, you might want a gallery, a booking form, and a strong about section. If you're building a restaurant website, you might want a menu section, location details, and a contact form. The goal is to keep the site clean, simple, and easy for visitors to understand. Before publishing, make sure to preview your website on both desktop and mobile views. This is important because a website can look great on a big screen, but feel awkward on a phone if something is misaligned or too crowded. Previewing both versions helps you catch any issues before your visitors see them. When everything looks good, click Publish. That's the final step that makes your website live on the internet. If you're using the free plan, GoDaddy will give you a shared subdomain, such as a GoDaddySites.com address. If you want a cleaner custom domain later, you can always upgrade to a paid plan and connect your own domain name. And that's it. You've built a website on GoDaddy from start to finish. You created your account, defined your site's purpose, customized the theme, edited the sections, and published your website live. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.